Totally buenos dias. Everybody,
Hola.
welcome to another Traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're at, where are we? Where are we and who do we got here? Selena. She's from Nicaragua, living in Costa Rica, San Jose. Say hello.
Hi. Hola.
Hola, hola.
¿Cómo
You're doing
está?
Spanish. You're doing Spanish today. So
Okay.
guys, we're at Playa San Juanillo here in Guanacaste province. Look at this beautiful beach. Selena, can you tell us about this?
Sí, claro que sí. Esta es una playa ubicada en la provincia de Guanacaste. Una de las particularidades de esta playa es que se divide en dos. Podemos ver un lado, el mar es quieto, es un mar tranquilo y es uno de los lugares más bonitos y diferentes que puedes ver en la provincia de Guanacaste.
Perfecto. And it's so basically, guys, this is a beach that's south in Guanacaste province, and
Sí.
it's split. It's got this tail situation here.
Ok,
So
aquí tenemos,
yeah.
es muy parecido o un poco similar a lo que es Ubita, por
Ubita,
ejemplo,
sí,
donde
sí.
Ubita podemos encontrar la cola de una
Yes.
sirena.
The
Es
whale's
algo,
tail.
ajá, es similar acá,
Yeah.
un poco diferente, naturalmente ubicado en la provincia de Guanacaste, pero aquí podemos encontrar y disfrutar de dos playas que se convergen una a la otra, unidas por un sector de arena. También tenemos por allá lo que es la bandera de Costa Rica y un pequeño peñón donde podemos subir.
Sí, sí. Okay, so there's a beach here. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell the people how to get here and look at it from the drone. And then we'll come back and we'll do a full tour.
Claro.
Awesome. So we'll start with what everybody wants to see, the drone videos from right here at Playa San Juanillo. There's the sandbar in the middle of the two beaches. This is where we're going to be continuing the walking tour with our guest host, Selena. There's a wide shot of the two beaches and the area. Off on the left, you can see the town behind that we drove in through to get to this incredible beach. In the middle, there's the hiking ground, and that's where we will be heading up to at the end of this video. There's a flag up there. It's a really cool lookout. You can get some great photos. Now, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests, any places you know around Costa Rica that you want me to visit and film. Hit me up and we can go do that. And I saw some people up on the hiking ground and I thought, hey, why don't we do a cool little orbit shot and see what it looks like from up close. And this is one of those beaches, guys, where you definitely want to have water shoes. Water shoes are a great thing to bring, not only for going in the water and walking on the sand, but up on that little hiking trail. So here's the left side of the beach as you're looking out. This side is a lot longer and it seems to have a lot calmer water in most of the places. There we just got a wide shot looking out towards the north off on yonder. And you can see that there are more beaches directly adjacent to Playa San Juanillo. I don't know how accessible those ones are. Didn't try it. They look pretty cool though. We're going to see driving through this town in a short minute. There are some restaurants, some shops. It's a little town, so you can expect to have a little bit of amenities, but it's definitely not a big town. Here we are looking off towards the south. So about 20 kilometers past here, you'd be in Nosara, and then further from there, you'd end up in Santa Teresa. Here, once again, we are looking towards the north, a bit closer shot. So there's a beach up there called Playa Azul, which I've got some comments to visit. Didn't manage to get a video trip in for this one, but it is on the list. So there you have it, guys, the drone tour at Playa San Juanillo. Right now we're flying over the first part of the parking area. So when you come in from town, you can see there's a lot of parking right up on the beach. And now let's talk about how to get here from the Liberia International Airport, which is the closest airport you could be landing at with international flights into Costa Rica. So when you land, you'll get your airport transfer rental car, which are all right near the airport, and start heading out towards the beaches. Now, this first part of the road is very well paved. You're going to be heading towards a town called Santa Cruz, which is where I had to get gas because I didn't know how many gas stations there'd be out towards the coast of San Juanillo. It's a good idea to get gas and supplies in Santa Cruz right here. So then as we go into the second part of this journey from Santa Cruz, you're going to start heading out directly towards the coast. Before you get to the coast, though, you're going to turn further south. You'll follow signs for Playa San Juanillo, Playa Azul, and I think I saw some signs for Nosara. So you're going to be going in that direction. And then you head across this very winding road that leads down the coast. So this road used to be mostly gravel, if I remember correctly, and it seems to have this rough coat of asphalt now. Getting into town. Now, as you pull into town, it does turn to dirt roads, but it's in very good condition. It's a short drive over the dirt, so you could do this in any car. Now, let's get down to the beach, and we'll have Selena walk us around and explain all the parking situation.
Por ejemplo, aquí pueden parquear, no hay ningún problema. Aquí pueden parquear bien, no hay ningún problema de que les bajen las placas. De hecho, hay bastante espacio para que puedan parquear. Entonces es un lugar seguro para dejar sus pertenencias. Por ejemplo, vemos por acá. Entonces es bastante grande, así que pueden visitar inclusive al ser las 12 mediodía, tú puedes venir a parquear aquí y no tienes ningún problema. Pueden comprar artesanía, hay personas que están vendiendo inclusive pescado, no hay ningún inconveniente, pero lo más bonito del lugar es que usted puede sentirse libre de parquear, de venir, no hay problemas de que te bajen las placas, todo es libre, todo es tranquilo y el lugar completamente seguro. También podemos, por 1,000 colones, aquí están lo que son los 1,000 colones, baños y duchas.
Baños y duchas.
Exactamente, puede tener acceso a eso, a este servicio.
Good information.
Por ejemplo, y la playa realmente es una playa muy bonita, como pueden ver, muy a lo que es el lado guanacasteco. Tienen sus piedras, es una área bastante bonita, bastante segura también. Pueden venir a disfrutarla, es una de las mejores playas que hay.
Sí.
Sí.
One of the best.
Yeah.
So this side of the beach looks a bit more rough, the waves.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more, but there's still people swimming here. So it's very nice. So should we go jump in the water here first?
Sí.
Are you going to jump in? We can't jump in. We have the microphone.
Okay.
So we can put our feet in and see how it feels. And then we'll compare it to the other side.
Okay.
So guys, there's tide pools here. How high is the tide right now, Selena? Is it high tide or low tide?
No tide.
Alto or bajo? Bajo tide.
Bajo. Sí,
So
sí,
how
está
low
ahorita.
it'll cover all the rocks there, I assume.
Sí, dentro de unos ratitos todo eso va a estar cubierto y si la marea llega hasta por allá.
Okay.
Si llega un poquitito, exactamente, donde están mis sandalias. Pero es un mar calmo, realmente ahora en la mañana estaba un poquito picado, pero ahora está tranquilo. Un mar limpio, como pueden ver, turquesa completamente, cristalino, correcto, cristalino.
Let's go to the other beach and we'll compare the two beaches.
Ajá.
And the sand is very nice.
Sí.
Lots of
La arena es blanca.
Yeah. And you know what I noticed? So every time I've been here, there's been people camping.
Sí.
And they have the big camping trucks. So is it popular for camping?
No es tan popular, hay otros lugares en donde se puede acampar, pero puede ser una opción si usted la considera.
So if somebody wants to camp, they could do it here, and it's safe.
Es seguro.
Yeah, it's very safe.
Sí. En la mañana y en la noche es un lugar seguro, tanto para dejar vehículos y si usted quiere acampar, pues también lo puede hacer.
And where we're going after is actually up there. So you're going to take me on that hike up there.
Okay.
To the flag. Is that where we're going?
Vámonos.
You're leading the way. You're leading the way.
Vámonos.
We're doing a tango and you're leading.
Sí.
Okay. So here's the other side as I fall down. Look at the wave, guys, crashing in. Very powerful.
Tiene un parecido similar como a Santa Teresa por las piedras. Tiene como un similar, pero no lo es. Pero aquí está baja la marea.
Yeah. And which beach do you like better, Santa Teresa or
San Juanillo? For me, yes. Santa Teresa. El mejor atardecer en Santa Teresa. Sí.
Now in the drone video, I actually saw that over behind there. There's another beach.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like, I don't know if you can get to it. It looked like a really nice beach way over there.
Sí.
So I don't know what it's called. We'll figure it out. Maybe somebody can tell us. So this side, very calm water, very good water. Still a lot of people swimming.
Sí, hasta niños pueden venir. Hace un par de horas, vi a unos niños haciendo surfing, practicando con las olas. Es un lugar para practicar. No es una ola así como perfecta, pero se puede.
So this, I noticed there's some rock.
Sí, algunas piedras. Yeah. Recomendación, traer zapato de agua. Si usted quiere introducirse más a fondo. Exactamente. No dice.
Let's go. Okay, so we got the chanclas.
Yeah.
We don't want to do the hike in chanclas though. No. It's not a good deal. So we're gonna change. What do you got? Like shoes, water shoes, something? Okay, so guys,
puedes cambiarte por unas zapatos de agua.
Sí.
O unas tenis.
Okay. So up here, there's a sitting area. Mm-hmm. Nice trees, nice cover. This is where you were hanging out. So this is like a good spot. If up there is too busy, maybe.
Sí, this is the best spots to be.
Okay, the best spot to be.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's right near the sendero, the hiking trail.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I like that because honestly, my legs walking on the sand, it's a good workout.
Yeah.
This is a really good workout, guys. If you want to come here, bring a protein shake for after exploring the beach.
Creatine.
And you're doing, creatine, and you're doing high rocks.
Yeah.
So how's that going?
I'm going. This is mi meta para este año.
You're gonna win. 100%. I believe in you.
I believe, yeah.
So let's lose the chanclas and then do the hike. Okay, so Selena, where are we going next? You got the water shoes. This is your camp. We've got a camp set up. So guys, look at this camp. Actually, I have to say,
Sí.
like the kids, this is great for kids. Look at little kids.
Exacto, muy bien para
Little
los
piscina.
niños.
Yeah.
Cuando baja la marea, se hacen piscinitas y los niños pueden estar ahí.
Which is really, it's incredible because the waves are so powerful coming
Sí.
in. But because just right here, the rocks are perfect and there's people relaxing over there. So there's a bunch of tide pools. So once again, guys, if you're coming to Costa Rica, bring water shoes. Because during the day, if it was hot and sunny, those rocks are very hot. So if you want to walk around.
Siempre traer zapatos de playa.
Sí.
Súper necesario, tanto en Guanacaste como al lado del Caribe, donde hay formaciones de corales, para que no te dañes tus pies.
Sí. Okay, now,
vamos.
Sendero. Okay,
Sendero.
Let's go.
Vámonos.
Let's go. So this is the hiking path that we're on now. And are you leading me in the right way?
Creo que sí.
I don't know. We're going this way, guys.
Vamos a explorar.
Yeah, we're gonna explore.
Cuidado con esto.
Just watch your step. Watch your step. Whew. Okay, now here's a path. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, the path.
Perfect.
Okay.
So we're going up. Another leg workout. This is the second leg workout.
Así es.
Yeah. And just incredible up here, guys.
La bandera de Costa Rica.
So down here, yeah, look at this.
Look the view.
Yeah, perfect.
Hermosa.
So down here, another beach area. When I was on the drone, I saw a guy standing on that rock, that big rock. I'm like, I'm not going to do it, but I thought that was really cool. Because I don't want to fall and get a boo-boo, you know? So guys, you can walk around to here. This is perfect. What a nice little secluded area this is. There's boats out in the distance. You want to say anything? Because I can't breathe. I'm like, I need to whew.
Es una pequeña cuesta, pero si lo dejas sin aire.
Yeah.
Todo está muy bien.
And it's okay, let's go see the flag then. We see the whole beach from the flag.
Al lugar más emblemático de este lado, que es la bandera. Que ya necesita un cambio, por cierto.
The last time I was here, I think there was a Guanacaste flag.
Sí.
But it's not here now.
Deberíamos tener la bandera
What happened?
de Guanacaste.
Viento? Who knows? So there's the Costa Rica flag up here, guys. The Guanacaste flag must have been in this one.
Yeah. Look.
So let's see. Yeah.
Beauty.
Just perfect.
It's perfect.
So this way we're looking towards the north. So there's more beaches. I think, is there a beach up there called Playa Azul? Or
Playa Azul.
Playa Azul.
Es una playa muy bonita también.
Okay, we'll put that on the list next then. We'll have to go there. So here we are looking out towards Japan and Australia.
Australia, yeah.
They're somewhere over there.
Sí. Muy
so
parecido,
very nice, yeah. Very nice. And guys, I gotta say, if you're in this water, you gotta watch. Like, it can be very dangerous, right? You start going up and stuff like this, and look at over there, all the cross currents. So be very careful if you come here up in the choppy water. It's no joke, right? Because you can just get washed over the rocks, and it sucks. It looks like those people are on another path right there. That's cool. And then this way, we're looking towards the south. Sí. So Nosara is down there, and then Santa Teresa much farther.
Sí, más para allá.
Yeah. And then over here, what do we have? Like, we're looking back at the beach.
Sí.
Do you want to do like a really good photo right here?
Sí.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
My God, sorry.
Ready?
Be quiet.
Yeah, be quiet. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, perfect. That was actually a video.
Okay.
I tricked you. We did a video. So there you go, guys. Playa San Juanillo with our guest host, Selena. Thank you so much. Incredible host.
Mucho gusto.
Perfect, perfect. So guys, check it out on your vacation in Costa Rica, especially if you're landing in Liberia and you're anywhere around here. Once again, guys, the roads from Santa Cruz, which is that way, are all paved. It's super easy to get to. Incredible beach. And it's very unique with the tail thing going on here. So thanks again for watching. Leave a comment with your questions, feedback, requests, and see you later. Bye now.